Umbreon, a cocktail tribute to the Moonlight Pokemon, Dark type. Eevee's warm bourbon base darkened with activated charcoal and bitter Amaro into something sleek and nocturnal. Near black with luminous gold rings glowing against it. The most striking visual in the entire set. Let's make it. 8 elements: bourbon, activated charcoal black syrup, Cynar Amaro, fresh lemon juice, honey syrup, 2 dashes of aromatic bitters, edible gold luster dust for the ring, and gold leaf flakes for the float. Start with 1.5 ounces of bourbon. This is the Eevee throughline. Every evolution from here starts with bourbon. Buffalo Trace is the recipe's pick. Maker's Mark for softer. Bullet for a rye-leaning sharper bite. For Umbreon, lean slightly nocturnal. Pick something with a touch more depth than oak. Now the darkening. 1/2 ounce of activated charcoal black syrup. The black fur turning the bourbon to night. Stir activated charcoal powder into simple syrup, or use black food coloring in a pinch. Then 1/4 ounce of Cynar. The Italian Amaro made from artichoke, bitter and earthy, the darkness of the night itself. Black walnut Amaro works, or any bitter Amaro like Averna or Ramazzotti if Cynar isn't around. Now the signature. Mix edible gold luster dust with a tiny bit of clear alcohol, and paint a glowing gold ring around the outside of your rocks glass. That's Umbreon's rings, the defining feature, catching light against the black liquid. Wilton or CK products both work. Then when the drink is built, float a few flakes of gold leaf on the surface. The moonlit markings. Umbreon watches from the shadows. With the gold ring painted on, drop 1 large clear ice cube into the glass. Add bourbon, charcoal syrup, Cynar, 1/2 ounce of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of honey syrup, and 2 dashes of aromatic bitters to a mixing glass with ice. Stir slowly for 30 seconds. Umbreon is patient, nocturnal, deliberate. Strain over the ice cube. The drink is near black, the gold ring glowing against it. Float a few gold leaf flakes on the surface. Dark and bittersweet, bourbon warmth, charcoal dryness, bitter Amaro edge, honey rounding it out. It lingers like nightfall. Umbreon watches from the shadows, and somewhere out there, in the sunlight, its opposite is waiting. Come back and sit down for another drink soon?